XRP holders is $5 price prediction. Is that canceled? I got a quick update for you guys going on with the crypto space because we're seeing the market dumping. So we got to talk about that. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into this. All right, guys. So we're going to start off here on the XRP chart. And this is why people are talking about $5, it's canceled. We got to wait another 5 years. We got to wait another 4 years until the next bull market cycle to see all-time highs. Let's not get too carried away here, right? So I do want to zoom in here. Yes. Is this bearish in the short term? Yes, it is. We've broken below a very important price level of really this wick here around $3. And if you guys are watching my video as of, I believe yesterday, I was talking about a very, very, very important level is around $2.78. And if you look at where we're at right now, guys, we are trading at $2.79 right here, nearly $2.78. This is a very important level, guys. You know, if we break below it, yeah, I'd get a little bit concerned, but I would not say that it's over. I would not say it's over. I think that there's a lot of time left here. I think that we really need to be paying attention to what's going on in the overall market. We saw China banning Bitcoin again for the 7th time in its history. I asked Grok over on Crypto Twitter how many times China's actually banned crypto, and it was 7 times, okay? Which to me is signal. I talked about that in my Pepe video about how when the market is selling off and you see these big headlines about China banning crypto or just really bearish overarching events, they get announced at important times and they go on these marketing campaigns to push the price further down. Why? Because the market makers are liquidating people and the market makers are buying lower so they can sell higher, okay? They're not just liquidating XRP longs to lose money, okay, to push the price down and then just say, oh, well, our overall spot is down. That's not how that works. I do want to say, though, in the short term, this is a very important price level, $2.78. I think that this should be potential area of interest for a bottom, okay? Not financial advice, but I'm telling you guys, I think there's a potential here that we're going to be bottoming out here around $2.78. And if that doesn't play out, the next area of interest really is around $2.58, 57 cents. I think that's possible that we wick down to there. And if we start to see that play out, man, that would be pretty diabolical. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. I think there's a higher likelihood chance that we chop around this level around $2.78 and worst case scenario around $2.57. And if we start to test below that, that'll be for a different video. But in my opinion, I think the probability is we stay between $2.57 and $2.78 for really, well, I should say above those levels for really the remainder of this sell-off, because I do think that moving into Q4 is when we should be expecting that true altcoin season. Now, guys, if you do want to trade with me, I have been short on many altcoins right now. I'm not really trying to short XRP at this price point because I do think that this is a very strong level and it's a larger asset. I don't think necessarily we would be coming down much more significantly unless we see Bitcoin really break down, but we'll take a look at Bitcoin here shortly. But if you guys do want to trade with me, check out in the description box or pinned comment down below. I've been being very, very profitable, high leverage scalping as of late. And if you guys do want to trade, we have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and $5,000 sign-up bonus. If you guys want to help support this channel and trade, check out the description box or pinned comment section below. It really helps support this channel. So, guys, looking at XRP, we're at rank 3, down about 11.5% in the past 7 days, down about 5% in the past 24 hours. And so people are talking about, are these price predictions, are they over? We're at $2.82. Is it over? Are we not going to see $5? Be patient, guys, okay? Be patient. The people that sell on the red days don't deserve the 10x, 20x, 50x on their investments, okay? You got to hold strong. That's not financial advice because not every asset is created equally, okay? But I do think that you get Bitcoin at the price you deserve and you get those big juicy trades at the right emotional integrity that you have. If you're picking up what I'm putting down there, you have to be. It's trial by fire when you're trading, guys. You have to be able to weather the storm to get and obtain those 10x, 20x, 50x's on your money. But if you look at this, guys, we're still at $167 billion market cap. I'm not really sweating this yet. You look at Bitcoin, guys, this is very important to be paying attention to, because I talk about why I think that we're somewhat bottoming out on XRP, because Bitcoin's at 113K. Bitcoin dominance is rallying, just as I've been saying. I expect that to play out through Q3. But look at where Bitcoin's at on the daily. I think that we're going to come and test this level here at 110,000. Test the breakout. Now, if we test that and bounce off of it, yeah, I think that the low is in for XRP. If we break below that, that kind of opens up a different scenario, in my opinion. And I think that that's a time for a different video. But I do think that we probably bounce off of this level at 110,500. Or maybe we see a wick below it, but I think we reclaim it into Q4. And I think that that's when we really see the true fireworks, where we see XRP make that $5 push. Where we zoom out here, we make that $5.50 push all the way up here at the top of this yellow line. That's the breakout. Guys, and you know, what have I been saying this entire bull market cycle, especially in 2025? I've been talking about how this phase, the fourth and final phase, has the most trappy price action. Look at this bull trap right here. Make everyone think that we're going to the moon, breakout, and it's just a little baby breakout, and we just fake all the bulls out. All right, so we fake all the bulls out. What comes next? Probably faking all the bears out. So be very locked in here, guys, because I think that the price action is going to be going for a wild ride. And I think that if you move accordingly, I think there's some profit to be made. So, guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you think that the $5 price prediction is canceled for this bull market cycle, or do you think that we need to just wait, weather the storm, and do basically what the market makers are doing, and they're buying the dip, guys? If you want to help support this channel, check out those awesome affiliate links down below, pinned comment section or description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.